Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your device and what it supports. Check OS and firmware so the chosen client will run. Next, pick a trustworthy provider. Look for no logs policy, fast servers, and the right jurisdiction. Once done, decide whether you need a local app, router-level VPN, or manual open VPN/IKEV2 setup to cover all devices. Make sure to have account credentials and a secure payment method ready, and keep a note of the recommended server regions you'll use. You now install the official client or upload the provider's config to your router. Follow in-app prompts rather than third-party installers. Once installed, enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so your traffic won't leak if the tunnel drops. Then pick a protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, and configure AutoConnect on startup. Also set split tunneling if you need local services outside the VPN, and use a device PIN or certificate for added authentication. You finish by testing thoroughly. Confirm your public IP and DNS have changed, and retry a few servers to check speed and consistency. Make sure to keep the client and router firmware updated, rotate passwords periodically, and enable two-factor authentication on the account. If something goes wrong, consult the connection logs, test alternate protocols and ports, and check whether your ISP is blocking traffic. Restarting the client or router often resolves transient issues. Finally, schedule periodic privacy checks to stay secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.